Unlock the power to debilitate your foes or redeem the wretched with the Potion of Weakness in Minecraft. To begin, you'll need a brewing stand. Place your brewing stand down in your world, and then right-click it to open the brewing interface. You'll need some water bottles to start. Fill up any empty glass bottles at a water source, and then place one water bottle into the bottom slot of the brewing stand. Next, you'll need fuel for the brewing process. Place blaze powder into the top left slot. Cobblestone is required to craft a brewing stand, and blaze rods, found on blazes in the nether, are used to craft blaze powder. Now, we add the base ingredient for most potions, the Nether Wart. Place a Nether Wart, found growing on soul sand and nether fortresses, into the ingredient slot above the water bottle. The brewing stand will now begin to process the Nether Wart, transforming the water bottle into an awkward potion. This is our starting point for all beneficial potions. The key ingredient for the Potion of Weakness is the Fermented Spider Eye. Craft this by combining a spider eye, sugar, and a mushroom. Place your Fermented Spider Eye into the ingredient slot. Watch as the awkward potion is transformed into a Potion of Weakness. You'll see the familiar purple hue and bubbling effect indicate its completion. And there you have it. Your Potion of Weakness is ready to be used in combat to significantly reduce the damage dealt by your enemies, or more importantly, to cure those unfortunate infected zombie villagers back into their regular forms.